And so how often do you need to retrain staff? Well, at a minimum, you should always retrain annually. We all forget things. I wish I could say I remember everything that was taught to me even last week or things I read last week. We forget things. It's easy to do. So at least annually, quarterly updates I think are a great idea just to remind people of, hey, this is how we use the fax machine. Make sure you're using cover sheets. It could take a 15-20 minutes in a staff meeting just to sort of refresh people with what's going on in security and what's going on in compliance, and any changes you may have had in your plan at that point. And also, anytime there's a breach, anytime you have any sort of security issue on the site, you want to make sure you go back and retrain staff. 90% of the time, it's going to be that there was a staff issue, somebody made a mistake. If your systems are up to date, you've been doing all your pushing your security updates, chances of a hack coming from a security standpoint are on the lower side. I'm not going to say it's impossible, but it is a lower possibility. Normally where we're seeing issues is staff complacency, people not realizing that they can't send documents certain ways, or talking about things outside of work loudly. Those kinds of issues we're seeing a lot more of. So it's very important to keep those under wraps.